everybody, welcome to The Colors of Beauty by Elle. I'm Isabelle. Welcome back and welcome all my new subscribers. If you are new with me, thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and press that subscribe button down at the bottom and that bell, and that will let you know when I upload a video. So today I am going to be doing this look. It is inspired for July 4th. So I thought I would do a July 4th look. I always do a July 4th look every year. Of course, it isn't for like every day, right? I mean, but it's fun to dress up. It's fun to dress up for the 4th of July. So especially if you're going for a like a barbecue or a get-together somewhere in the park or something, you know, and you put on your red, white, and blue stuff just to represent the country. So anyways, I went ahead and did this look for red, white, and blue, for July 4th, for red, white, and blue. Anyways, I thought it came out really, really cute. I used the Kat Von D Metal and Matte palette, Metal Matte. Or is it matte metal? Anyways, so let's go ahead and get through the tutorial. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is put some shadow shields on my eyes. We're using the Metal Matte palette from Kat Von D. And I'm going to go ahead and take this brush and go in with the color Bone. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all on my lid and down into the crease. I did already put some primer potion on my eyelid there. I did put the Urban Decay, the age one, you know, because I'm aged it. Now I'm gonna go, nah, I'm just kidding. Well, yeah, I am, but not. Okay, so there we go. Put that all on the lid there and all the way down into the crease. Okay, now I'm taking this pointy brush from Sigma. I'm going in with the color Velour. It is so pretty, so pretty. Now we're gonna do this a little at a time, you guys, a little at a time. So if you have hooded eyes, just look straight in the mirror and go right above the crease. You know, not in the crease, but above the crease. You wanna have it peeking out, not to be mistaken with Peking duck, because that wouldn't be good, because that's something you eat. Anyways, just put that down in the outer portion of your eyeball, just about the third portion of the eye, but we're going in light, because we're going to do like light, we're going to do dark, light, dark. So just put it very lightly and sweep it in. And the interesting part about this particular color, for me anyways, it does darken up once I wear it for a bit. As you can see, the other side is a little bit darker than that one. Anyways, your eye's going to look like that. So you're just going to do it lightly, okay? Now we're going to take this slanted brush, and I'm going in with that same color. And this brush is very... it is slanted and also thin and pointy. So we're just going to do it in little strokes. See where I put down that, that blue at first? We're just going to make a line right on top there. Just follow the outline of that color where you placed it at first. Okay? And try to make it precise if you can. You know, sometimes it's hard, I know. So, because, you know, our eyes go all wavy and stuff. And just follow that line and just go straight. And then keep adding some of that color as you go. Now, I'm going to go in with the color Stone. I'm picking up just a little bit of that. And then putting it on top. So, I'm going to put Stone and dip my brush into the Stone color and the Velour color, and it's going to be a little bit darker there. So just go ahead and follow that line, okay? And don't be afraid to use the tip of that brush because that's what it's for, right? So it's really a neat tool. Okay, just like that. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a different angled brush, and I'm going in with that bone color again, and just get it on the sides there. And we're going on top this time, and just follow right on top of that line to clean off any edges there. And then as you're doing it, make sure that you clean off the brush and then dip it back into the bone color, because you don't want to get any of the blue above that in the bone area there. Does that make sense? The eyebrow bone. Okay, now I'm going to take this a short shader brush, and I'm going in with the color Nebula. This one is the metal color of the blues, and I'm just going to go right in that about the half of the lid, I think, is going to be that color. And don't go above, try not to go above the crease, because remember we put that color, the lighter color, above the crease. Now this one's going to go on the crease and down, because we're going to do it like kind of different, you know, light, you know, like I said, dark, light, and then dark again, so you can have a line of lightness in there. And then just place that color right there in that spot. Okay, and take your time on it. You don't want to go too fast and, you know, get it all over the place. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take some NYX jumbo pencil in milk. This one I depotted, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the rest of the lid, from the crease down. Okay, just be careful. This is a nice brush. This is for cream applications from Sigma. I like this brush. So just very gently put it on there, just like that. Okay. All right. Next, I cleaned off that brush really well. So next you want to go ahead and take the color Linen and also Tinsel. So pick up some linen and tinsel and shake that off, and then put it right on top, all over on the top of that milk that you put on there. Okay, so just tap, 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 and then just put it right on there. Gives it a really pretty sparkly look. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take some Fix Plus and spray this little tiny angled brush. And I'm going to go in with the color Tinsel. See, right there. There it is. All right. And then just go in just like that. And then shake it off. And then what we're going to do is put it right underneath the eyebrow, the outer eyebrow, the tail of the eyebrow, and that'll give you a little bit of a shimmer there, you know, with the lights and everything. It'll be a fun look. And then everybody's gonna say, "Whoa, look at her! She's got some fireworks going on too! Yay!" So there we go, just like that. All right. And then next I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm using this Urban Decay blue pencil here. It is a very light pencil, but it's got, you know, some shimmer. It is called Bling. I'm doing the bottom and the top waterline, and then the bottom lash line. Okay. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this angled brush that we use for that line, and I'm going back in with Velour. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of that color on my bottom waterline and on the lash line so that it can all like say boom. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take some of that Melba color, metallic color, and then go on top of that, just like that. I love these pointy brushes. I think they're so cool, especially if they're really, really flat. You can do so much with it. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyeliner, and I'm going to I'm not doing quite a cat eye. I'm just going to be just lining it, all of that lid there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some of that Nebula, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that color only, well, on top of that eyeliner, but only on the silver part, not on the blue part, because the blue part I wanted the black to show of the eyeliner, and if I put the blue part on top of the blue part, you can't see the blue part. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to go do the rest of the face, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. For the rest of the face, I used Blush by 3 from Sleek. I did incorporate this with some glow drops, and I put glow drops on my hand here, and then I got a little bit of this color right here, and I just put some on my cheeks. I thought it would be a nice, you know, glow. I don't want too much blush on because I got a lot of red lip going on and all this going on up here. For the lips, oh, I'm loving this lips. I got this little sample from Sephora. I don't know who it's from, but everything that I use, I will put in the down bar so you guys can see what I used. But I really like this. It's really pretty. And then for the lip liner, I used this from Sally's. And then I put a little bit of my Eddie Funkhouser bronzer on today. Sorry, I can't talk today. Oh, the bronzer on. Look at my bronzer. I have a new one that I opened, but I'm wanting to get through this one. It's all like, but anyways, you guys. Also for the foundation, what I did was I got some of my foundation and I mixed it with some glow drops, and I love this stuff, guys. And it gives me a really nice glow, healthy glow to my skin. So that's it, you guys. What are you guys doing for the 4th of July? You going to a picnic, a barbecue, a swimming party, perhaps? How fun is that, right? We might go to, we're probably going to go over to my son's house because he's got, you know, the swimming pool and the barbecue, and it's nice, you know, hang out with the grandkids and the kids. So anyways, you guys, I hope you have a beautiful, colorful day. Enjoy your 4th of July, but most of all, be safe. Don't drink and drive, and don't text while driving. Not that thing. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great 4th of July. Bye. Subscribe.